Do you want to start affiliate marketing but don't know how? Today I'm gonna show how you can start affiliate marketing with as low as $7. The system I'm currently using is the OLSP system. This is $7 system. You can see there are many products to promote and on commission in different levels, but these are not compulsory to purchase. On the right side, you can see my promotional link, which is the mega link, which generates 7 income streams. You can see my commission in last 24 hours, and you can see over 796 people have made commission in last 24 hours. You can see the 3-step training here where you learn about the system and how it works. You can also watch live trainings here. This is the last live training on tiny list big commissions. If you join this system now, you will get both of these products absolutely for free. You can also buy traffic from this site, but I haven't bought any traffic because I use free traffic method to earn commissions. The link of this site is in the description below.